Hi guys, I just wanted to, I just ordered these off of Amazon and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Some new beetles and nail art design brushes. Let's see what we got here. So this set has 6 brushes included, just all different range of sizes. Oh, and they have a dotting tool on the end. Do you guys keep these on the ends of your brushes? I don't know if I'm going to. I think it might be a loss. Sorry about that. Just trying to fix the angle of the camera. Nice. That one's on a angle there, if you could notice. I don't know if I'm going to keep those on there. I feel like I'm going to mess up the brush itself by putting it back on there. This is just a liner brush with another dotting tool on the end there. And this one is longer. Yeah, especially with the really thin ones. You don't want to make them go all wonky. And this one is another flat brush there. They look to be good to use. Get rid of my trash. And so that was this set here. And the next set I got nail art liner brushes. So even more liner brushes. Ooh, pretty. I don't know how many brushes you actually need because I do have a whack. That one. Ooh, that one's a itty bitty one. It doesn't even say how much mils long they are. That's kind of annoying. It's another one. They're very cute. Wow. Okay, this one's itty bitty. This one looks like just a tip of a pen almost. It's so small. And back to that one. I think we opened them all. Okay, that was just a short little clip there for the new things I got there. Thank you for watching.